Do you want to see radical improvements in your drawing skill? Well, in today's video, I'm going to share essential beginner drawing skills and exercises that you can utilize to improve your overall drawing skill. You can use any pencil that you wish. You can choose a 2B, a HB, a B, or even a pen. Any of these work. And you can use any layout paper that you have, any A4 or A3 paper, or even your sketchbook. So let's get into it.
Drawing skill number 1, practicing lines, 5 minutes. First up is simply practicing lines. Focus on drawing lines using your whole arm, not just your wrist. Practice drawing diagonally, horizontally to vertically. Experiment with different lengths of line, its direction, to how you hold your pencil whilst drawing. Try holding your pencil using an overhand grip and underhand grip to how you would write. What's the difference in lines you can create with these different pencil holds? Practice tapered lines too, going from hard to light and light to hard strokes. Rotate your paper to make your drawing more comfortable. Why is this a key drawing fundamental? This exercise enhances control, precision, and fluidity in your strokes, laying the groundwork for more intricate drawings. Drawing skill number 2, practice basic shapes, 5 minutes. Think circles, squares, and triangles. These fundamental shapes may seem simple, but they are the building blocks of any drawing. Experiment with different sizes, shapes, and orientations. Again, focus on using your whole arm and ghosting the line too. Avoid drawing scratchy lines, but be confident in your marks and follow through your shapes. It's okay to make mistakes, it means you're learning. This exercise helps you break down the most complex of subjects into simple shapes, progress in your observational drawing skills and key fundamentals. Drawing skill number 3, basic forms, 10 to 15 minutes. In step 3, we're going to use the knowledge of drawing basic shapes from the last step and turn these into basic forms. Think cylinders, cubes to cones. Take everyday objects around your home and break them down into these shapes. Pick simple objects like your phone, a coffee mug, or even your sock. If you were to draw a mug, I would split it up into an ellipse for the top, a cylinder, another ellipse for the base, and a circle for the handle. If I were to draw a book, I would draw it into a simple cube, but in perspective. This exercise sharpens your observational skills and helps you understand how to represent 3D objects on a 2D surface. Drawing skill number 4, hatching and shading, 5 to 10 minutes. Experiment with long hatching, short hatching, uneven hatching, weaving to flowing lines. There's so many ways to make a stroke unique, from its line weight, its spacing, to the amount of layers you draw. This skill is the backbone of shading and rendering, and you'll be able to notice what's possible. This builds your awareness of lights and darks, crucial to add depth and dimension to your drawings, making them more visually engaging. Remember, stroke variation and experimentation is key. Drawing skill number 5, simple values, 10 minutes. Moving on to step 5, I want you to draw a box like this. Don't worry if your box isn't in perspective or yours just looks a bit wrong. The focus here is on the values. Take that box and add different values to each side using a total of only 3 to 4 shades. Can you see you can make the box 3-dimensional by just using these values? Try this out with only 2 shades as well. This helps you see that values are crucial within drawing. Without shades and tones, a box and also a drawing can look flat. Try drawing boxes in other directions and using different perspectives, and shade each plane or side using a limited tonal value. You can also advance these boxes and study simple objects around your home. How can you split a book, a glass, or an apple into 3 or 4 values? This exercise enhances your understanding of light and shadow, how this forms three-dimensional drawing, and brings your drawings to life. Drawing skill number 6, negative space, 10 minutes. So instead of drawing an object, you're going to draw the space around the object. A great negative space object is a chair, as they often display plenty of negative space opportunities. Begin by looking at the object and noticing any negative space holes. I can notice one here, and also one here. And I'll draw the outline or shade each of these spaces. Repeat this throughout the whole chair, and you'll be surprised by how accurate your drawing will be. Don't draw anything within the subject itself, only the space around it. This exercise improves your accuracy and shifts your focus from the object itself to the spaces it occupies, enhancing your overall drawing perception. You'll begin to focus on the negative space and not the object, almost tricking your brain. Drawing skill number 7. Have fun. 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, it's time to have some fun and leave your session on a high. Take everything you've learnt and apply it to a light-hearted, enjoyable drawing. The goal here is to relax, be creative, and let your newfound skills shine through. Don't worry too much about what you draw, and simply have fun. This will make you realize how far you've progressed, have some enjoyment, but most importantly, by having fun at the end of a session, encourages yourself to commit to these exercises tomorrow. Draw anything you want, doodle, practice some more if you love it, or draw from your imagination. And there you have it, 7 essential beginner drawing skills to set you on the path to artistic greatness. Again, I recommend being consistent with these exercises to build your drawing skills. Come back tomorrow and go through these steps again. If you feel like you're making good progress after committed sessions, then keep pushing your skills by stepping outside your comfort zone. For example, draw more complex household objects, drawing boxes with better perspective, or improving your hatching. Just keep pushing the envelope. I hope you liked these exercises to improve your drawing skills. Give this video a like, subscribe to the Portrait Guru for even more videos, and I highly recommend you check out these drawing exercises to further improve your drawing skill.